All right, everybody. Today, everybody. That's weird. Hello. Today we are looking at some earphones, earbuds, headphones, whatever you want to call them. And this is the HiFi Air 2 by MyFo. These are probably one of the least expensive earphones that we have tried from these guys. And by looking at their Amazon product page, right now 11 reviews, 5 stars, awesome. $70 Canadian, which again, awesome. Because normally their headphones, which you'll see we have some other ones by them here. My daughter uses a pair of theirs all the time. But they're in and around the $200 mark. So 70 bucks seems pretty good. So what we're going to do is we will take a look at their Amazon ad, and of course we'll give them a listen and see what we think. Okay, so they say the earbuds for phone calls and good sound quality. Well, that's excellent. ANC and ENC. 2 mics, noise reduction, so that's also good. Control with an app, so they give you a free app for customizing the actual sound effects and timed pause and play, etc. Cool. Wireless earbud noise canceling. What does it say? 3 noise cancellation modes. Press the earbuds for 1 second to switch between mild all the way up to strong, and then transparency. Very nice. Bluetooth 5.3, which is what we're seeing on earbuds coming out this year. Water resistance. They say water resistance technology are suitable for running and workout. They don't necessarily give us an IP rating, but they do say we should be fine, I would think, for sweat. No IP rating as far as I can tell. But all the other stuff seems like it should be good for $70. Also says 24-bit audio decoding. Now, some of these features may also be Android-based versus iPhone-based, because I find with Androids, they have a lot more or some different sound features. But again, here you can see Bluetooth 5.3, active noise cancelling, touch control, 25 plus hours of playtime. Oh, there we go, IPX5, so that's all right. ENC, mild noise reduction, strong noise reduction, and transparency mode. So, and I do think for the next week or two, not overly far, we do have a little bit of a coupon code down below, so you guys can look for that, see if it works for you guys. Anyways, where am I? Here it is here. The HiFi, the box is really light. Now, again, if you feel some of their older ones, heavy. Take that as you will. Light is good, especially for those of us that want to carry it around in our pockets, because I don't necessarily want a heavy piece of gear. But I have to say, you know, when I play with the other ones, the expensive ones, they just feel like there's so much quality to them. And I know that shouldn't be a representation, because look at, like, let's say I've got Sony earbuds and I've tried Apple earbuds, etc., and they're definitely way lighter than some of the other ones, but they sound really good. So, but that's some kind of weird thing, right? All right, so here's the box, HiFi Air 2s. Nothing overly. Oh, I kind of like the shape of the box. It's kind of got this like egg look, you know, but it's kind of nice. And they definitely have an AirPod Pro type look to them in regards to what the physical earbuds actually look like. What does this say? Open here, open here. There we go. Oh, they just kind of fell. So yeah, it's that was them. There you go. I'll just put this back in here so you guys can be like, ooh. There you go. The little green light started flashing already. Maybe I opened them. They opened enough to realize. Anything else in here? I would hope so. Yeah, an accessory box. Okay, so this, I'm guessing, is where you get the app. Now, I may have the app already, but let's take a look, see what happens. right? So this is what's going on. This is what's going down. Let's see. Do I have it? Oh, no, a new app. All right, so I'll log into this so that we can, check it out, because I think that's going to be important, so we can see what that looks like. That's going to download now, but that's not the manual. That's just for the app. So okay, that's all right. You do get some different size tips. Those are really large, and I'm not really even sure what those are. See those right there? It's like the part that goes on the actual end of the speaker. And then, of course, you get a larger set, and a smaller set of actual tips. Okay, that's cool. I'm down. Here they be. HiFi Air 2s. HiFi Air 2s. HiFi Air 2s, which I'm having some issues. Hold on. They're coming. It's happening. But, okay, so, this is here. This is here. We're not gonna, yeah, we are. We're gonna have to. I'm gonna open this. Ready? Open. We'll see, agree and continue. Yes. Okay, good. It didn't make me like log in or anything. So I was like, oh. All right, let's do this. Ready? Add device. You guys can see it, hopefully. Add device. It has the fits, because I've done those before. Open. Bluetooth. Let's see if it sees. Pair your device in system Bluetooth. Oh, okay. I gotta come back. Okay, so now you know. But you know what? Better to be safer than sorry. Hold on one sec. I'm getting a phone call. Okay, we're back. Just so you guys know, my motorcycle's ready. That's excellent. Anything show up in the bottom? Maybe I have to reopen. Ready? Hold on. And open. Anything? Anything? Sometimes you have to actually take an earbud out. We'll find out. Doesn't seem to be beeping or dinging. So I'm going to take one out just to see. No covers on them. No covers. I'm sticking this one in my ear. Very much feel like AirPod Pros. Just this shape. Oh, something dinged. Which, they go in nice. Yes, they go in nice. All right. Oh, there they are. Boom. HiFi Airs. Yes? Connected. My battery's dying now. Hold on a second. Okay, so we're all good. Got them in, right? So, I guess just, however, it's starting to catch on that clock back there again. Okay, here we go. And I'm just trying to look at my screen over there, So we're connected now, is what it says. And now if we go back here, yes, Bluetooth, go to pair. I'm paired already. Now it's funny because it does come up and say HiFi Air. It doesn't come up and say HiFi Air 2, right? So this is the ones that I'm connected to. Yes, yes. Can I say manual? HiFi Air app, HiFi connected. Aha, there we go, connected. Yes? Good. So can I do anything when I tap on this? Oh, so it is fairly simple. Now, my guess would be that if there's any kind of possibly like firmware updates, this is where you will find it. But you can see my batteries are 100%. I'm in mild noise reduction. I can just tap here to switch it into, yeah, and she even comes up and says transparency mode, so it switches. And then you got strong. And she comes up and says strong, which is nice. Now you also have settings. Yeah, firmware upgrade. So that's nice. You can click on it to see if there is a firmware upgrade, which is cool. You also have control. So it tells you, so you can program basically what it all does, right? Tap left or right for volume up, volume down. Double tap to play or pause. Triple tap to previous or next track. 5 tap for low delay switch. My guess with that would be like a gaming mode. And press for 1 second to switch between your different active noise canceling and transparency modes, etc., etc. Yeah, that works. That's fine. This works. All right, let's listen to some music. I have on here Mr. Brownstone by Guns N' Roses because that's what I was listening to. So let's just give it a listen, shall we? Yeah, And it's hard because I'm listening to like 80s Guns N' Roses, which means that it's not super heavy on the bass to start with, right? It is weird that it comes up with HiFi Air, not HiFi Air 2. Not that that's a big deal. Okay, let me just adjust. As far as like rock music and stuff, sounds fine. They're not crazy loud, but they are definitely loud enough. I don't know what the sound leak is like, but definitely loud enough for sure. Whiskey in a Jar, let's listen to that one. Oh yeah, there's some bass there. Oh yeah, no complaints with those. And I like this style because it is comfortable, And I'm almost always a medium size like earbud tips, so it's not bad. One of the things I find is it's got decent low end for sure, and the high ends are really good. I'm not really sure, like in the mids, I find that the mids could probably be a little bit more pronounced, right? Because his voice has a really high tone to it. Not that I would say Metallic's got a high tone, but the highs are pretty pronounced and the lows are pretty, so, okay. We'll do one more song test here just for me. And I like, and I will play this because I'm going to go to Binding Lights because that's one of my favorite ones for testing. Yeah, see the low end is, like the bass is bassy for sure. And I'm curious on a song like this because it does have, a lot of, let's see, I'm just listening now. Yeah, no, it sounds good. And I have to make sure that I remember that these are only like $60, $70 earbuds, right? And if you can get 25 hours with the charge on these, yeah, those are good. Those are good. All right. I'm okay with that. The last little thing we'll do is we'll bring up Filmic here so that I can just do a test to make sure that the mics are working okay. And we will just get this all set up. 1 second here. Just so you guys can see. It does come up for the microphone as the HiFi Air. It sounds in where it monitors, I'll be honest with you, it sounds a little muffled. So let's do a recording, shall we? All right, guys, so this is the audio from the HiFi 2s, and you guys can get at least a representation of how the mics are picking up. Again, they do have different active noise canceling and ENC, so electronic noise canceling. I think it's electronic or environmental, I can't remember. But I usually find that earbuds that have a lot of this, sometimes you get a different sound in the recording phase from their mics because their mics are still trying to remove some of the ambient sounds around. But you guys at least get an idea of what it sounds like, and that'll be enough for now. All right, so you know what? I think they sound good. I like the fact that they have the app. Not that I think that the app is, it's weird here, right? You see this? I had them connected, HiFi Air. It's just connected, but it also has a secondary connection to the app. That's a little different. I guess it's, and it's, I don't know, it's just kind of weird. It's just kind of like it pushed everything off to the side. Maybe that's just some weird little glitch with my phone. I don't know, but I want to make sure that when we take these out and pop them back in here, yes, these should start their charging phase. And it disconnected from the app part for sure. As you can see, we don't have any app connection, and there they go, disconnected. You know what? They're nice looking. They're not horribly, like the case itself isn't horribly big by any means. It's got a nice little HiFi Air 2 on the back, which is nice. USB-C charge. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. Are they worth $70? Yeah, I think for $70 they're really good. When you compare them to their earbuds that are like 3 times the price, I still think their more expensive ones are better for sure. Well, they're 3 times the price, right? But for a $70 pair of earbuds, I think they're decent. I'm going to leave links down below to where you can pick these up. And there is a discount code, and I think it's good till the end of this month, so May. So take a look, give it a try. We'll see how it goes. And that's going to be it. It may be a fairly significant discount too. Anyways, there you go, my friends. Links down below. Check out the Amazon listing, I guess. And that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.